Hey guys, welcome to another video. This video is about Megalights. If you go to project settings and filter for Megalights, you'll see it over here. But initially it will be disabled. Enable ray tracing. So you have to enable this support hardware ray tracing. After we enable that, you'll be able to toggle Megalights. But right now I'm not going to enable that. I just want to show you something. I have this point light spawner. So pretty much I have about 2000 here. It's going to spawn 2000 within this boundary. So if I turn on the FPS, I'm getting about 60 FPS for 1000 point lights without Megalights. Go to project settings, Megalights, enable. So I'm getting about 160. So from 60 FPS to 160. That's more than twice the frame rate.